Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check uploaded photos in Google Photos, and here's how it is done. Open the Google Photos app. Launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device. Once you are in the app, you will see your photos organized by date. You can scroll through them or use the search bar at the top to find specific images. To see photos organized into albums, tap on the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find various albums, including those created automatically by Google Photos and any you have created yourself. If you want to see which photos have been backed up, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Photos Settings or Backup and Sync to verify your backup status. By following these steps, you can easily check and manage the photos you have uploaded to Google Photos on both mobile and desktop platforms. And that is everything you need to know about how to check uploaded photos in Google Photos. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.